Here is some tips and tricks to make your home more energy efficient. Hi, my name is Lisa. Increasing your home sustainability is great for you and even better for the environment. Let's get into it. First, installing high-performance double-glazed windows can have huge effects on keeping heat inside. Double glazing stops heat transfer between the outside of the home and the inside. If you can't change your windows, consider installing thermal blinds which work in a similar way. Making sure your house is well insulated will help lower your emissions. It also helps keep it cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Insulation is best installed in the walls, the roof, in the flooring and behind any external cladding. Some of your household lights could be using more energy than you think. Try replacing older light bulbs with energy efficient light bulbs, or even looking for ways to utilize skylights and get more natural light in your house. Solar power can be used to power fans and split systems for heating and cooling. They can also be used to power electric ovens, range hoods and induction cooktops, dramatically reducing your electricity usage. When it's time to update your appliances, look for ones that are energy efficient. Also, don't forget to switch off appliances when they're not in use. Keep your home cool by installing outdoor blinds. This will help stop the sun from warming up your home, which means you spend less cooling your home. Drafts tend to creep in and out, so look for gaps around doors and windows that could be letting air escape. Seal these up with sealant or weather stripping to help lower your energy costs. High flow shower heads use more water, which means you'll be running your hot water system for longer. By installing low flow shower heads, you can cut down the amount of energy your hot water service uses. And there you have it. You have some helpful ideas on how to make your home more energy efficient. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.